Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable pulse ox on Garmin. So blood oxygen saturation, you can either take one time spot check or set it to track automatically while you sleep or through the entire day, but be sure that this will drain your battery. So take a manual spot check. So we will go here up or down, like here in this menu, and find pulse ox glance. Now where it is, I need to find it. Like here, as you can see, just like that. Now as you can see here, now it doesn't measure right because I don't have this on my wrist, so I can't do that right now. Okay, let's say no. So this will start measuring your pulse. Okay, so if you are missing this, scroll all the way to the bottom right here and click on edit. Sorry. So edit at the bottom of this menu. Oh, come on. Alright, like that, and now edit. And here you will find this pulse ox if you don't have it on the this menu. Okay. Also here you can adjust on the watch. You can adjust how and when it measuring this. So what we need to do is here we will press up a button to get to the settings, and now let's go here to the sensors and accessories, and right here we will find pulse oximeter, pulse oxy mode. I have it during sleep. I can also set all day or it's totally off. How you can also do that on your phone, on Garmin Connect app, and then you can go to more, so bottom right, Garmin devices, and select your watch. After that you just select the health and wellness, and you will find there pulse oximeter. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.